Starting in the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and most compassionate. Welcome back, students. Today we are going to discuss the final shortcut keys of MS Word. There is a lot of shortcut keys which I'm going to show you the full commands, but which is more important that people will ask you in the test. Maybe you are going to apply for a job, people who is asking from you the important shortcut keys which I mentioned. But if you need all of them, I will mention no matter clear. I will show you that from where you can apply. So these are the important shortcut keys which people can ask you if you're going to apply for a job. The first one, Control A for select all the text. I'm going to take one of the next document from here because I'm going to implement for you people. If I'm writing here, for example, the text, right? The first one is Control A. Like it means I mentioned in here, like for example, they mention the first one, Control A, select all the text. Control S, which I mentioned a little bit different. And this one is B for bold, C for copy, and D for design. Let me tell you in here. Control A for select all, and Control S for save. Control D for text design if you want to give them a different design. Control F, find the word. And Control G, go to the page. It means Control H, because over there in the shortcut keys I mentioned a little bit different, so that is why I'm going in the sequence. Clear? Generalize, I will also tell you Control A for select all, Control S for save the current page, Control D for text design, as we mentioned, Control F for find the word, Control G, go to the page in line. If you want to go to page, you have 1,000 page. If you want to go to page number 2 or 3, so you should mention here. Control H for replace, one word will be changed to the second one. We also discussed in here, if you remember. Control J for alignment. What does alignment mean? So right now, if I'm going to write one of the articles or, for example, research paper, so look at this one is a different. I need this one in the sequence. Then click Control J, so that will be in the sequence. Control K for hyperlink for attachment the file. Control Z for undo. It means if you're going to delete your text from Control Z, you can again re-undo. Clear? X means for cut the text. C for copy. V means for paste the text. Control B means bold the text. Control N means for a new page. And Control M means right side of the text. Sir. If you want to press Control M, so that will be for the right side of the text. Sir. Control Q means for the left side. Control W means close the current document or page. Control E for center, like if I'm going to write one of the words and if you need in the center, then Control E. Control P for print, if you want to print the text, and Control O for open the document. Control I for italic. What does italic mean, sir? Like if I'm going to write the text, but I need this text in the italic form, then click on the Control I, a little bit italic, clear? U means for underline. Control U means for underline the word, clear? The next one, we have also, like for example, I mentioned some of them in the down, but first I'm telling to you, if one is for help in support, if two for rename the folder, like for example, I have a folder in here, this one, I want to change the name, so click F2 if you want to give them any name, so you can change. Clear? The next one, F4 means paste text multiple time. How? For example, if I'm going to write here equal range, I need this text many times more, than click on the F4, that will be paste multiple time. F5 is for refresh the computer. And the next one, F7 for spelling and grammar. If you write the spelling and grammar, we also study in here. Like if you remember, we studied in here. Pakistan, I write incorrect. So I want to give them correct. So click on the F7. So that is spelling and grammar that you should write in here. If you have any grammatical mistake or spelling mistake, F7 is used for that. F10 means go to the menu without mouse. I don't have any mouse right now. I'm going to go to insert menu to open any picture. Without mouse we are working. So click. So dear students, we recorded that was the half shortcut keys. We are going to complete that one. So we study up to F10 means if you want to go to the menu without keyboard, so you can without mouse, so you can go to, like you will be press F10. So if you want to go to insert menu, 10 menu, so easily you can go. F12 is for save as. Alt Control 1 is for heading number 1. In Alt F4 is means to close the current page, like Alt F4 if you press, close the current page. So let me clear this one. If someone is asking this question, what is the difference between document and page? The combination of page is called document, clear? And the next one is caps lock on for capital, caps lock on for small. But if you want to copy this one, so I mentioned also here, this one, clear, for select all, B for bold, C for copy, D for design the menu, and E for move the text into the center. F for find the word, G for go to the page, and H for replacement, and I for italic the text. And the next one, J for justify, and K for hyperlink. Left side alignment. The next one is move the text today. The next one is N for a new page. This one is for O open, I for italic, Q for the left side alignment, R means right side alignment. S means save, and this one is create indent T, and the next one is U for underline, and V means paste multiple times, W means close the current document, X means cut the text, and Y means redo. Redo in undo, you know that is the same. Z means for undo. Okay, this was the shortcut keys which is important for your test. If someone say no, I am going to learn all the shortcut keys which is available in your computer, maybe some people didn't show this one because as a techniques we can use this one. But if you want to see all the shortcut keys, or you people think that I want to learn Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, whole shortcut keys for a different type of test, so I'm telling to you which items, so that is for the important questions. If you want to see all of them, then come to view menu and click on the micro view buttons, and click from here word command, and right here list, click on the list command, and then run, then click on the all and OK. So these are the all shortcut keys. Look at it from A to Z, all the shortcut keys. Look at it here. They mentioned for caps lock, Control Shift plus then A. So all the shortcut keys is mentioned from A to Z. If you want to use, if you want to copy this one, so you can easily copy that which I mentioned. So that is the important one. So this was the shortcut keys, and that was the word program shortcut keys. In Excel I will also mention. So try your best. Again, I'm telling to you people, try to subscribe our channel Multi Skills Learn Academy, and try to share with your friends. Any for any suggestion, and if I want to make more videos, like for example for motivation, so try to comment, and for advice and suggestion also. Have a good day and take care.